All right, guys, so I have a 2-pack of these ZURU mini brands, and in each one of these little round spherical capsules, they're going to be lots of mini things. So it's kind of a surprise what you get. So we're going to open up one of them today and leave the other one as a surprise for someone else. So we're going to open up this one here. Looks like a sphere. It says fill the fridge in 2 languages. Mini brands minis. Gives you an example of a kind of thing that you might find in there. Pretty cool. So the way that we're going to open this is you're going to find the spot here that has the perforated edge, and then you can pull down that tab. All the way down, and then unwrap it. And then you're left with this sphere. And it looks like there's another tab there that you can pull down. And then you have just this white sphere left. Okay, and then you can just pop it open like that. And then the surprise is inside. Let's see what we got. Several items here, including one that's loose. Let's see. We have itty bitty framed scene. Very cool. Looks like it's a magnet too. We're going to test that out. So here's another magnet that I have. We're just going to put these together and see if they stick. Yeah, that is a magnet also. So it is magnetic. So that's the first thing that we got. This tiny framed photo. Let's see what else we got. So they're all individually wrapped, which means you have some surprise for each one that you open up. Next we have some pretzel dogs. Auntie Anne's pretzel dogs. Very cool. So kinds of things that you'd find at a grocery store on a shelf. Here's the detail that you can see. Let's see if we can zoom in a little bit. So the words are readable if you have good enough eyes. Pretty cool. All right, that's the next thing we have. What else we got? We have some barbecue sauce. Hickory Craft barbecue sauce. I love the attention to detail on these things. It's very, very cool. So far we have those 3 items there. Let's see what's next. Next we have Kellogg's Eggo Homestyle Waffle Mix. Can make 24 waffles. They're just so cute how small these are, yet the attention to detail. Very cool. Next, let's see what's in this one. We have an oats jar. A jar of oats. Pretty cool. Keep on going. And once again, no matter what you get, it's going to be different because each one is a surprise. Now we have some juice, just labeled juice. Looks kind of like apple cider to me. Comparing sizes, I would think it's a large bottle of juice rather than a small one. Of course, the sizes aren't always completely consistent because we have a framed photo and the juice is way bigger. But next we have some eggs, some fresh eggs, and these might actually open. Kind of look like they should. I don't want to break it. Yeah, they do open. Look at that. Really cool. And do the eggs come out? They sure do. The eggs even come out. Really cool. Get some fresh eggs. And that's all we got. There's also instructions in each one, a collector's guide that shows you all the different kinds of things that you can get. There are 60 items to collect. So in that one egg, we got 7 of them. And there's still another egg. Still another sphere there. So that's about what you would get. Like I said, there's going to be different items in each one. So there's 60 altogether. We have 7. So it would take a few of these to get all of them, but pretty cool. Hope that helps. If you'd like to purchase it, there's a link in the description. We get a small commission and it would really help us out. Hey, my name's Chris, and with my wife Abby's help, we're on a quest to review literally everything.
They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that could make sense.